Hello, my name is Emma Lefevre. I am from Rexburg, Idaho. I am studying early childhood special education. This is my sixth semester here on campus, and I'm excited to be in this class. This is a picture of my family. I have a sister who is 18 and a little brother who is 7, who's in first grade. I love to travel. This last semester I got to go teach English in Lithuania. And so here's a picture of me at the Eiffel Tower. Along with teaching, we also got to travel a lot, so I really enjoy traveling. And then here's a picture with the cute kids I got to teach. I took this class because it's required for my major, but also just because I like learning about different cultures. The kids that I got to teach all had very different cultures. With the Russian culture and the Polish culture, it was really interesting to see what their family life was like and their different religions and things like that. As far as test that we had to take, I got sequential, concrete, and abstract, and they were both very high. They were like a 52, which I wasn't really surprised after I went through the reading that I was that way. I'm a very concrete thinker. I like to have a plan and I go for it, and so I wasn't really surprised. I'm definitely very organized and I think a certain way. I'm not really all over the place with my ideas and things. So that's kind of me. I'm excited to start this class.